Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we explore some of the most iconic and beautiful yachts from around the world. Today, we're diving into a true classic of Dutch craftsmanship, the Klaassen Super Kaag motor yacht. This yacht isn't just a boat, it's a piece of maritime history that perfectly blends timeless design, robust engineering, and the luxurious comfort that has made Dutch motor yachts legendary. Whether you're a seasoned sailor, a yachting enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates elegant design and meticulous craftsmanship, the Super Kaag is bound to capture your imagination.
From the moment you lay eyes on the Klaassen Super Kaag, it's clear that this yacht was built with attention to detail and a strong respect for traditional Dutch boat building. The Super Kaag carries the signature rounded stern and long, flowing steel hull that give it a stately and graceful presence on the water.
Unlike modern planing yachts that emphasize speed and sleek, angular lines, the Super Kaag embraces the beauty of displacement hulls, moving through water with calm, measured efficiency.
This design not only enhances stability but also provides a smoother ride, making it ideal for longer cruises where comfort is as important as style. One of the first things you'll notice is the bow. Its classic curves are not just aesthetically pleasing, they are functional, cutting through waves effortlessly and providing a stable platform even in moderately rough conditions. The hull is typically finished in a crisp cream white with a subtle blue waterline stripe, a color scheme that adds to its timeless elegance and makes it stand out at any marina. Stepping on deck, the Super Kaag continues to impress. The teak-laid decks are meticulously maintained, offering both durability and classic maritime charm. Teak is not only beautiful but also practical, providing excellent grip even when wet. Brass fittings, polished to a mirror finish, adorn cleats, handrails, and deck hardware, contributing to the luxurious feel without compromising functionality.
The wheelhouse is a focal point of the yacht's exterior design, elevated slightly to provide excellent visibility and featuring large, unobstructed windows. This design allows the captain to navigate confidently while enjoying panoramic views, a feature that combines both elegance and practicality. For those who enjoy relaxing outdoors, the aft deck offers a comfortable seating area perfect for dining, socializing, or simply enjoying the serene surroundings while underway.
Inside, the Klaassen Super Kaag offers a level of craftsmanship and attention to detail that continues the theme of luxury and practicality. The main salon is spacious and inviting, with a warm palette dominated by polished teak and mahogany. Built-in seating with cream-colored upholstery complements the rich wooden paneling, creating an atmosphere that feels both classic and welcoming. Large windows allow natural light to flood the salon, highlighting the intricate woodwork and giving the space an airy feel despite the solid structure. Brass accents, such as reading lamps and cabinet handles, add subtle touches of refinement without overwhelming the space. The salon is designed to be a social hub, whether you're entertaining guests or relaxing with family, and it effortlessly blends comfort with timeless nautical style. Moving through the yacht, the galley or kitchen is compact yet fully functional. Teak and mahogany cabinetry provide plenty of storage, while brass fittings and classic latches add character and durability. The galley typically features a small vintage gas stove, stainless steel sink, and well-thought-out counter space for meal preparation. Portholes allow natural light to brighten the workspace, while the efficient layout ensures that everything is within easy reach. Despite its modest size, the galley reflects the same dedication to craftsmanship and quality materials that define the rest of the yacht. It's a space where practicality meets classic style, ideal for preparing meals while underway or enjoying longer cruising trips. The owner's cabin is the epitome of comfort and understated luxury. Rich wooden paneling and built-in cabinetry create a cohesive and elegant design, while cream-colored linens and warm ambient lighting add a cozy, inviting touch. Small portholes provide gentle natural light, and every fixture is carefully chosen to combine function with aesthetic appeal. The layout is designed to maximize space without feeling cramped, with thoughtful storage solutions and a berth position for comfort and convenience. Guests on board also enjoy well-appointed cabins, which are slightly smaller but still reflect the classic styling and quality materials seen throughout the yacht. Twin berths, wooden cabinetry, brass reading lamps, and small portholes create spaces that are both practical and charming, making overnight stays comfortable and pleasant. The crew quarters, while simpler, are efficient and functional. Compact bunks, practical storage, and the same warm wood finishes make these spaces a comfortable base for crew members without compromising the overall aesthetic of the yacht. The design here emphasizes practicality and efficiency, ensuring that the crew can perform their duties effectively while still enjoying a well-constructed and tidy environment.
The bathroom or head is another example of the Super Kaag's thoughtful design. Compact but elegantly appointed, it features teak and mahogany cabinetry, brass fixtures, and a small porthole to let in light. Despite its size, the space feels well planned, with attention to detail in every element, combining utility with the timeless elegance of the rest of the yacht.
Performance-wise, the Klaassen Super Kaag is designed for steady cruising rather than high-speed thrills. Its displacement hull allows it to move smoothly through the water, providing a calm and comfortable ride.
This yacht is typically powered by a reliable inboard diesel engine, offering a balance of power, efficiency, and endurance. While it may not reach the top speeds of modern sport yachts, its design focuses on comfort, stability, and fuel efficiency over longer journeys. Maneuverability is excellent for a vessel of its size, and the wheelhouse layout, combined with responsive controls, makes handling the yacht a pleasure, whether navigating narrow canals, coastal waters, or open sea. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Klaassen Super Kaag is its longevity and timeless appeal. These yachts were built to last, with steel hulls that provide strength and durability, and wooden superstructures carefully crafted to withstand the test of time. Owners who maintain the yachts properly find that these vessels retain their charm and functionality for decades. This makes them not only a pleasure to own and sail but also a wise investment for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate traditional craftsmanship. The combination of durable construction, elegant design, and comfortable interiors ensures that the Super Kaag continues to attract admirers from across the yachting community.
The unique selling points of the Klaassen Super Kaag lie in its harmonious combination of classic styling, solid engineering, and luxurious comfort. Unlike modern yachts that often prioritize speed and flashy aesthetics, the Super Kaag focuses on timeless elegance and practical cruising capabilities. Its rounded stern, long flowing hull, and teak-laid decks immediately convey a sense of prestige and quality.
Inside, every cabin and living space reflects a commitment to craftsmanship, with high-quality wood finishes, brass fittings, and thoughtful layouts. The yacht's performance, while understated, is perfectly suited to those who value a calm, stable, and enjoyable journey on the water. Owning a Super Kaag is not just about having a boat, it's about experiencing a piece of maritime history and a lifestyle that values elegance, comfort, and tradition.
For anyone considering a classic motor yacht, the Klaassen Super Kaag offers an exceptional blend of aesthetics, functionality, and enduring appeal.
Its spacious interiors, functional galley, comfortable cabins, and timeless deck layout make it suitable for long-range cruising, weekend getaways, or simply enjoying serene days on the water. It's a yacht that invites you to slow down, appreciate the details, and connect with the tradition of Dutch yacht building. Whether you're docking in a quiet marina, exploring a scenic coastline, or cruising along inland waterways, the Super Kaag delivers a refined and pleasurable experience that modern yachts often struggle to replicate. Every element, from the polished brass fittings to the carefully varnished teak surfaces, speaks to a level of care and dedication rarely seen in contemporary production boats.
In summary, the Klaassen Super Kaag classic motor yacht is more than just a vessel.
It's a testament to the golden era of Dutch yacht craftsmanship.
With its elegant lines, robust construction, and luxurious interiors, it offers a unique combination of history, style, and performance. For those who appreciate a slower, more thoughtful cruising experience, and who value quality, design, and enduring appeal, the Super Kaag represents one of the finest examples of a classic motor yacht.
It's a boat that captures attention, inspires admiration, and offers a sailing experience that is both comfortable and deeply satisfying. For collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone with a love of nautical elegance, the Klaassen Super Kaag is a timeless treasure that continues to shine on the water even decades after it was first launched.
Thank you for joining me on this detailed look at the Klaassen Super Kaag on Sir Boats Yacht.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming tours and reviews of more classic yachts and maritime treasures. Whether you're dreaming of your first classic yacht or simply love seeing fine craftsmanship in action, stay tuned because we have plenty more exciting vessels to explore and share. Until next time, smooth sailing and see you on the water.